Uh-oh. Looks like she might have an OnlyFans. I don't know.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me. My attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me.
Thinking about this a lot lately. Over the past couple days here, the past week or so, you know, I gotta give a huge shout out to all the men and women who are out there protecting our country and our rights and everything that we stand for. Huge thank you to those men and women, to the ones that just lost their lives here recently. I was never in the military. I never did the military thing, and quite frankly, it was because I just didn't have the balls to do it. It takes a lot of strength and courage to fight for your country like that. And you know, to the families of those people, you know, we're thinking about you as well. It's because of you guys it allows us to get out and do what we're doing tonight. For us to be out there free and enjoy our nights on our motorcycles, and it's yeah, it's thank you very, very much. Tonight we're going to do our Saturday night lights ride, which I think tonight's going to be a fantastic night for it. Honestly, I think tonight might be our biggest turnout for this. This is a ride we do every single month, but I really think that tonight's going to be like the biggest night for it. Mainly because it's absolutely gorgeous out. We're going to end up on the other side of Tampa Bay, over in the Ruskin area again, which I really, really do like that route. It kind of gets us out of the city a little bit. I don't remember exactly how many miles this whole route is, but it's pretty good span. Again, it takes us all the way from, so we're starting in Tampa, and we're going all the way to St. Pete. Then we're going to go all the way around the bay, which is this huge body of water that gives us our name, Tampa Bay. And then it pops us out onto the other side, over by Ruskin. Thanks for hitting your brakes. And then we'll end up back in Tampa. So it's basically just a giant loop. It's a good time.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me. My attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you.
Are you ready?
I think we are.
Are you? I'm ready.
Are you?
I'm ready.
I think you need to fix your hair.
At least I have it. It is a perfect night out tonight. We're up at Radiant. We're waiting. We're actually extremely early. The meetup's not till like 8:30, and then we're taking off around 9, heading over to Wawa Gandhi. We got some oldies out here tonight. Just like this guy. What up, boy?
What's up, man?
You good, Mike? You good? Just checking.
He's not good. You know why?
Why?
Because he rides a Yamaha.
What up, folks? What up? What's up, bro? Been good, been good. What's up?
How we doing, man?
What's up, D?
Hey, bud.
How you feeling?
Good.
Feeling good? Doing good?
Yeah.
What's up, man? Over there, boy.
Hey, buddy. Hey, Dad, shout out to you. Thanks for supporting my boy's channel, and thanks for the GoPro, man.
Awesome.
We're riding out here tonight.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, buddy.
Woo! Damn, that looks good, man. That looks good. Now this guy's gonna get us kicked out before we even get started. Why are you always blowing up our spot? We got a great group of people out here tonight. We got basically any type of bike you can think of is out here. We got Rikers, we've got ZX6, ZX10, we've got S1000s, we've got Indians, everything. It doesn't matter what you ride, you can come out here and enjoy these night rides with us. It's a blast.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me. My attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you are so-and-so, you not a threat. Cause I really know so-and-so, they like my family, so they gon' pretend that they cool till they bust at your motherfucking chest. I'm getting good at my flow, been like butter, my checking them bank. They see the number, all of my haters feel one of two ways. Really upset that they show some respect. I can't even think about it. I've been up, so read about it. No beat around it, straight to it, no ring around it. You coming for me, we'll see about it. We'll never see it when I get my feet up. 100 meters where I run the fee up and go ka-ching and I'm on a pia. I had to re-up on a reel, so you stay the feeder and put it back into the bit cause I don't really need it. I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I had to put all their egos in check.
I'm telling you, we got a good group. This is our best Saturday night slide. What? Saturday night lights ride that we've ever done, honestly. I mean, we got a huge turnout. Finally got to Wawa Gandhi. We got even more people up here. Good pace, good group, good stuff. Of course, we got Carlos's bike. He's got the speakers on speakers on speakers and lights. I don't care about any of that. All I know is that I use this little thing right here to house my Red Bull. That's all that matters.
He didn't have anything to wear, so he stole his nephew's shirt.
How many minutes, Mike? Mike, how many is that? Show me in your hands.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Show me in your hands.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
One hand.
Damn, you learning. We got 5 minutes before we take off. We're gonna go all the way around the Skyway, which is a good time. It's there's no traffic out there. It's dark, it's just nice.
You're not entitled to anything else. I get 10 years of this under my belt. Your art isn't art, they don't feel it, and nobody hears it. Initiative stay on the shelf. Your ego done got in the way. It gotta die today. It gotta go. You should be happy I lighten the load. The weight of your arrogance, heavy as stone. I make an appearance, they already know. That chip on your shoulder gon' crumble and fold, yeah. It's not a secret that you have been fearing the shit that I'm on, so you back to the brag and the boast, but
Alright, we're back over to the Ruskin area. What up, boy?
Made me give you another cut on the other side of your hand.
You know what happened?
Yeah.
Ethan was smiling. I turned my head real fast, and I caught the tip of his tooth.
For 25 cents a day, you could save a kid just like Ethan.
What mountain are you going skiing on?
shoulder gon' crumble and fold, yeah. It's not a secret that you have been fearing the shit that I'm on, so you back to the brag and the boast. But I'm in a class of my own. I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my success is only
Made it out to Bay Shore, the pirate ship. There's this nice little parking lot right here. It's nice and late, so it's literally just us here. Convention center right there. It's just nice and peaceful out here.
No, get away, get away.
Yo, the dude said, "Are you with the guy with the narrow head?" I said, "Mike, yeah, I'm with him."
Yeah. We got all these beautiful bikes out here tonight. Oh, it was a good night of riding. But it's time to call it a night. And Danny came out for the last stop. The last stop. The last stop. All right, bro. You have a good night. I'll see you later. All right, bro. I'm going home. I'm going home. Why? It's past my bedtime.
Slice. A slice.
Nah. I'm out of here.
I'm on, so you back to the brag and the boast. But I'm in a class of my own. I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check.